Do you want to know how to make a girl fall deeply in love with you, like Kiyotaka Ayanokoji? It's all about control of emotion, attention, and mystery. Master these 6 psychological tricks, and she won't be able to resist. Don't miss the last one. 1. Make yourself available when she needs you most, but don't be too accessible. By balancing attention with distance, you create a sense of longing. She will start to crave your presence and the emotional support you provide, but the inconsistency will keep her guessing and wanting more. 2. Mirror her emotions. People are naturally drawn to those who reflect their own feelings. Subtly mirror her mood, speech patterns, and body language. This creates a subconscious bond where she feels understood and connected to you, increasing her emotional investment. Want more of those tricks from Ayanokoji Kiyotaka? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Stay ahead with knowledge that gives you the edge in any situation. 3. Build emotional dependency. Be her go-to person during moments of vulnerability. Offer comfort and support during tough times, but subtly make her feel that only you can provide the understanding and care she needs. This builds a strong emotional dependency. 4. Be mysterious. Don't reveal everything about yourself. Share enough to pique her interest, but keep certain aspects of your life hidden. The sense of mystery will intrigue her and keep her constantly trying to uncover the layers of your personality, drawing her closer. 5. Use jealousy sparingly. Mention other women in a way that's nonchalant and non-threatening. This can subtly trigger feelings of jealousy, making her realize that she doesn't want to lose your attention to someone else. However, this tactic should be used sparingly to avoid creating distrust. 6. Create a sense of exclusivity. Make her feel special by giving her attention in ways you don't give to others. Whether it's a personal nickname, private jokes, or unique experiences shared only between the two of you, these gestures create a sense of exclusivity, making her feel she holds a special place in your life.